Hey there, family. I'm Reginald Martin, the creator behind this amazing Cometic spirituality and metaphysics focused YouTube channel. Today, I have some truly incredible news for you all. I'm thrilled to introduce our exclusive Cometic Insider membership program. By joining this fantastic community, you'll not only support the creation of more inspiring and enlightening content, but also enhance your own spiritual journey with some remarkable perks and benefits. Let me walk you through these exciting levels of our Cometic Insider membership. Level 1 is Cometic Insider. As a Cometic Insider, you'll join an esteemed group of spiritual seekers dedicated to deepening their understanding of Cometic wisdom. With your loyalty badge, you'll stand out in the comments section, and I'll prioritize replying to your questions and insights. It's our way of saying thank you to being an essential part of our community. Level 2 is Cometic Scholar. Ready to take your learning to the next level? As a Cometic Scholar, you'll enjoy early access to our videos and exclusive members-only community posts. But that's not all. You'll gain access to teaching videos not available to the public, diving deeper into esoteric knowledge. Plus, during our live streams, your questions will be given priority, ensuring you get the answers you seek on your spiritual path. Level 3 is Kemetic Master. For those who crave an even more immersive experience, our Kemetic Master level offers monthly classes, exclusive discounts on our courses, and advanced videos on esoteric knowledge. Your thirst for wisdom will be quenched by these unique offerings. What's more, as a Kemetic Master, you'll have the chance to shape our channel's content by providing input on future topics and themes. Together, we'll create an extraordinary space for growth and learning. Joining our Cometic Insider membership program is an incredible opportunity for you to enhance your spiritual journey while supporting the creation of more high-quality content on our channel. So what are you waiting for? Click that join button and become a part of our amazing community today. I can't wait to welcome you into our Cometic Insider family. Let's continue to explore the mysteries of Cometic spirituality and metaphysics together. Much love, family, and thank you for your support.